Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. And of course, everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. This had been on a very strong downtrend for weeks now, at least over a week right now. And of course, it has broken out from most support region, guys. It has broken out from most support region. It broke out from this today, and it got to a new support region. Try to go back on uptrend. We don't know how far it's going to go this time around, okay, because it has been trying to go fully into an uptrend, but it has not been able to go through. Okay, it is on pullback at the moment. If it breaks out below this, let me use this. If it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more, and it will be targeting this region, this support zone. Okay, so we should take note of that. But if it does not, it will go back up and buy more. Okay, so let's see what will happen. It is selling at the moment, even though we are not sure if this is going to be for long, because in case it's unable to break out below that, then definitely it will go back into an uptrend. Then the next asset is going to be GainX 999. GainX 999 had been on uptrend right from this support region, switching to an uptrend, broke out from this resistance zone, and it has gotten to a new uptrend, guys. It has gotten to a new uptrend. Okay, it's trying to switch back into a downtrend, but it has not been able to do that successfully. So if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will switch fully into a downtrend. So we should take note of that. For now, it is buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Now let's look at PNX 1200. This is PNX 1200, and this had been on downtrend for long right from here, and it has gotten to this region, making all the profits. Okay, so and right here is also a support region, and it has just gotten there already. Okay, so this is most likely to go back into an uptrend, but you have to wait for it to switch into an uptrend signal and make sure it gives you a buy signal before you jump into it. Okay, so let's keep on watching, let's keep on waiting for this. Okay, it is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below this support zone, so we should take note of that. Okay, next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. Still on 15-minute time frame. This is PayNext 999. This is the setup I have for it. Okay, it has actually gotten to the resistance. It has not been able to break out from there. So we gave ourselves an entry point at this point, and of course some highlighted TPs, TP1 and 2 have been achieved, heading towards TP3 and 4. So this is selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. It got to the support zone and wasn't able to break out below it. So right now it's going back on the full uptrend, and it is still buying. And we actually expect it to get to this region first. And if it should break out from there, then we can say it's going to get to this particular spot. This is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. Okay, and if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.